Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Head Chef Mom. I'm Kendall Lawrence, and I'm just so happy that you're here again with me today to share my Colorado experience. Now, I have been in Colorado working on an event, cooking for an event at my friend's lodge, Tony and Don Moore. They have a lodge, a beautiful lodge out here in Colorado, in Florissant, Colorado, called Tiss Reed Lodge. And I did an elk video the other day out of the main kitchen. Today I'm working out of the overflow kitchen because all of the guests are here. The property is full, and I am going to prepare dinner. We've been working hard all day in preparation for the arrival of the guests, and they're here. So Tony and Don are over there attending to the guest needs, and I am preparing a light dinner, or semi-light dinner, for the three of us. So they'll be over here in the overflow kitchen. Hopefully they'll be here by the end of the video, and they'll do a taste test on these simple green chili bison burgers that I'm making. Yeah, that's what I'm making, green chili bison burgers. Now, Colorado is prime real estate with their grassy plains out here for the American buffalo to roam. So, you know, it's plentiful, and the Coloradans love it. They say it's very lean and it's very, very tasty. So I'm going to make a very simple burger with very few ingredients so that I can get a really good feel of how the bison taste. So come on in and let's take a look at our ingredients. So here are the ingredients for our green chili bison burgers. Here I have 2 pounds of ground bison. I have some frozen green chilies. I have an onion that I'll be using raw as a condiment. I have a tomato, also a condiment. I have some pepper jack cheese and some hot jalapeno habanero cheese, and I have some brioche buns and some romaine lettuce. I'm going to make 6 burgers because Tony and Don's children are going to join us at the last minute. So I'll be making 6 burgers, and the ingredients are very simple, and we're going to really get the taste of these ground bison burgers. So let's go ahead and get over to the stove and start putting these burgers together. Okay, so I have my ground bison here in a bowl, and I've got my green chilies in a bowl here, and I am just going to simply put some of my green chilies in the bowl with my ground bison, and I'm going to eyeball it because this is totally to taste, guys. So if you like green chilies, go heavy. If you're not liking too much of the spice that it gives, or not, I don't think green chilies are all that spicy, but if you're not into it, then go light. Okay, and I think this will add some moisture to the leanness of the ground meat. So now I'm going to just start working the meat, and you want to be careful not to overwork the meat because you don't want a heavy, dense burger. You want a light, sort of fluffy burger. So I'm going to work this meat until the green chilies are worked in really well, just until it's just worked in, and then we're going to put them on the griddle. Okay, so I have a grill pan here on the stove, and it's heating up on high heat right now, and I have my ground bison and my green chilies that I just lightly mix together, and I am going to form my hamburger patties and get these all on the grill. Okay, so as I understand it, you don't want to cook bison patties too long. You don't want them to be well done. So I have started these out on high for the first couple of minutes. Now I'm going to move the stove down to medium high. And I'm going to let it go for another couple of minutes. Then I'll flip them over. So it's been about 3.5 minutes. And I'm flipping my bison burgers, and I'm going to let them go. This is on medium-high heat now, and I'm going to let them go for about another 4 minutes. And I'm going to toast my brioche buns here, and then we'll put some condiments on it, and we'll give these bison babies a taste. So we've been going about 3 minutes on this side, and I'm going to let it go another minute. I'm going to put the cheese on and let it go about another minute until the cheese is melted and my bun is nicely toasted. Nicely toasted buns. Let this cheese melt for a minute, and then we're going to dress it. Okay, so my burgers are ready. They look delicious, cooked about 4 minutes per side, so they're still on the rare side. I have these beautiful toasted brioche buns. I have an assortment of toppings. I have some raw onion, some beautiful slices of tomato, some romaine lettuce. I cooked up some bacon. I didn't tell you that at the beginning of the video. And I think I'll add some more of the green chilies as a condiment. Even though I have them inside the burger, and that's totally optional. All of this is optional, actually. Dress your burger the way you want to dress your burger. Okay, I'm going to get my burger all dressed up, and then Tony and Don are actually here. Say hi, Tony and Don. Hey. And so they're going to taste too. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, here is my delicious looking bison burger. This thing looks so awesome. I added some thick sliced bacon. I'm sorry, it fell apart. But you saw how pretty it was initially. I added some thick sliced bacon, some raw onions, some tomato, some pepper jack cheese, and some romaine lettuce on this beautiful toasted bun. How beautiful. Let's taste, Tony and Don, and see if it tastes as good as it looks.
Delicious.
That's fantastic. This is very moist, very good.
Yep.
And the moistness comes in with the pretty rareness. You need to cook this burger rare. Now, Tony and Don have had bison burgers before, but have you had a Hatch green chili bison burger?
Nope, this is my first with the Hatch green chilies.
So what do you think about the flavor?
I love it.
Okay.
And you need some Colorado Coors with your bison burger.
Oh, is that what you're having?
I'm having a Coors.
Okay. Okay. So this, I haven't ever had a bison burger before, so I was expecting it to be a lot drier, but I did, purposely cook it at a rare. So it isn't dry at all. And I do like the idea that I have a nice, moist, delicious tasting burger that is healthier than, a ground beef burger. So this is really good. And the Hatch chilies add a nice zing to it. And it's simple, it's easy. There was only a few ingredients. If you can get your hands on some bison where you live, then give this burger a try, guys. This is awesome. It's simple, quick, and easy for a nice weeknight meal for your family. Guys, I'm so glad that you were here with me, Tony and Don, here at the Tisserie Lodge again. And there's more to come from Colorado at the Tisserie Lodge, so I'm looking very much forward to showing you around the property and doing some more cooks here before I leave. I really appreciate you being here. Please comment, like, subscribe, share, and go feed your family. I love you guys. Bye-bye.